Okay, now we're going to do the best we can and see how much of this we can pull off. I basically want this entire clip off. So face off.
Face off.
Face off. So I believe the first plan of attack is I'm going to pull, because as you can see, I think these are pretty hooped because they are no longer that straight. But I'll see about whether or not they're savable or not. That one there, you can definitely see is really, really bad.
It's got a wobble.
Definitely has a wobble. So we'll see. But other than that, we're just going to pull. I'm going to start with these and then probably start with the grill or the bumper.
You're going to go the hood hinges first.
Hood hinges, then that. Oh, which reminds me.
Oh yeah, this
door was an absolute nightmare. It was, as you can see, the whole inside of this door was seized right up. Could not do nothing with it. And so we spent probably 2 hours trying to get this door open, doing the polite method.
Yes.
And it didn't work. So luckily my son came over and my wifey unbolted the striker from here, and then we proceeded to, well, beat the ever-loving crap out of it to get the door open.
Brute force.
Brute force.
Which, as you guys remember, in the Chevelle video, I don't have a brute force.
No.
I used all I could to get that starter bolt off.
Yeah.
So, with him showing up, that was good.
Yeah, because we need to at least get to that one bolt there to get the fender off.
Right there.
You can see that door's...
It's a mangled mess.
Yeah, so we'll see if we can fix it. The rust is not bad on the door, so we'll see if we can make the door work.
Make it better. All right, let's get to it.
So let's get to it. Let's start pulling this apart. Better make sure.
Are you on off?
I am on off.
Okay, well, I'm in a bad angle, so.
So it looks like it's got 3 bolts.
Okay. Oh, that's loud.
There's 1. So, as you can see, we do have a bunch of different containers. They all have little symbols on them. Labels so that we can write. So this one will probably be just these bolts here, maybe the front end. I mean, I got no problem mixing a little bit.
As long as we know what we're doing, right?
As long as we know exactly what we're doing. Now with this one, kind of sucks because I cannot even remotely get in there with the power. Holy moly.
It's a little tight?
A little tight.
Well, isn't there some penetrant underneath the car?
Yep, but I haven't really worried about that aspect of it. Because I just didn't worry about it.
You weren't thinking of it?
Nope. No, if I would have been thinking about it, I probably
would have sprayed them yesterday?
Yeah, or a couple days ago. There's one there. Just sit there. Let's do that. Let's grab this and just bring it over here.
That seems appropriate.
That seems appropriate.
Watch your knuckles.
That is a bit of
Not a whole lot of space there, or what?
Not a lot. I hate doing that. So, oh, I did bring it. Yay.
What?
Knuckle buster for the 3/8.
I thought we were pretty prepared.
I thought we were too, so now, let's see.
It's on.
I'm not liking the driver's seat a bit.
See how much I've taught him? He's such a good helper.
I feel like I'm a really good helper now.
He's got so much knowledge now. It's crazy.
It's almost like I knew what I was doing.
Let's not go that far.
Yeah, let's not get carried away.
Well, yeah. What do you think?
I'm not sure.
Well, we'll have to talk to somebody who knows.
Yep. Yeah, because, I mean, I don't know what the availability is on these. So, I mean, that'll dictate whether or not we got to try to fix them or replace them.
Right.
Okay, watch your ears, everybody. This one's really...
It's tight.
I don't want to drop these because I don't feel like hunting for them.
No. That would be a pain in the butt, wouldn't it?
It really would. See, this one is quite mangled. The heater box is going to probably pose a bit of a dilemma. I cannot get it out. Well, let's see what a person can do when the struggle bus is real.
Take your time, honey. It's not a race.
Oh, wise words have never been spoken.
I know, right?
Maybe now that I've got it started, I can apply this. Because, yeah, I don't want to race, but I don't want to have to fight with anything for 45 minutes either.
Is it on off?
It is, but it's popping itself off.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to take it in. Get a new one. See that? Sometimes it grips and then sometimes it don't. But it is coming off.
Yeah, it is.
See, there it goes.
So maybe that's why I was having so many problems.
That's probably a big reason.
Because it just doesn't like me. Maybe I broke it. My brute force.
All that upper body torque you're packing.
I know.
Right?
I know. Yeah, it's out.
Oh.
No, it's just on the
it.
on the box there.
Let's see. Oh, yep. Oh, big hands.
There you go.
I nailed it.
Okay, you got one more left, sir.
One more.
Yep. You're just gonna use the wobbler?
I am.
I'm gonna ask why.
Why not?
Okay. Well, that seems a little freaking rough.
That was on there.
I find with sockets, it seems like you're going real fast, but it's like only like a half a turn or something.
Yeah, well, especially it all depends.
Oh, now you're gonna go have to hunt.
No. I don't wanna.
I don't know where it went.
Yeah, hello?
Did you see it down there?
Yeah, hello?
No, it's not gonna talk back to you.
Are you sure?
I'm positive. We'll just leave it till later. Spend 25 minutes looking for it, and we can have Moving on.
Okay, so
Those are off.
those are off.
Now you want to do front clip, right?
Yeah, I really want to hit that front clip.
Okay, well then let's get it off.
Let's just get it off.
Because we can put it with the pile of stuff right there.
Yes.
That's the future go through pile.
Yeah. The future put in different homes pile.
Yeah, because there is no more room in the dungeon.
No. No, we're not filling up that dungeon any more than it already is.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was 9/16. I believe the rest of these are going to be 1/2 inch.
Think so?
That's my call.
Well, test
Let's
it
start
first.
with here.
1/2 inch.
1/2 inch.
Nailed it. I'm not going to stand too close to that thing because if it falls...
Yeah, because it is loud.
Well, no, I was thinking if it falls on my feet.
Oh, yes. Okay, so there's one bracket. Now, you pass me that. I think I'm going to use that for this too.
Okay.
You know what?
It works.
It works.
Moving on.
So that's one bracket gone. Let's pull this bracket off.
Yeah, and I think there's only 2 on there, is there not?
Yep. And another thing about doing this in video, people. Now we have a, what did you call it?
What are we talking about?
When we're breaking this apart, now that we have it on video, it's documentation.
Okay, yeah.
So if we do forget how things go back on,
we can just refer back to the video.
Back to video.
Now, is that all that comes off of there and then the clip will come off? Or?
Oh, heck no.
Oh, okay. There's a few more?
There's probably a lot more. And see, that's what I'm trying to figure out is what is the best way to do this, because I can see this brace right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this brace, as you can see, with these little tiny bolts, that holds this piece on.
Okay.
As you can see, everybody, this piece is trashed.
Yeah.
Like there's really...
This is a drama scene.
Yeah, there's no real saving that.
No, not particularly.
Because, I mean, it is hooped along here. Like, really bad. And then, right here, it's torn, ripped. I just don't think that that is savable.
Well...
And a friend of ours has one. So, I'm just going to see if I can talk him out of it.
Okay, so what's next?
Well, that's in lies the dilemma. Like, what is the best way to pull this bracket off? I've never, ever done this kind of a thing. So, those brackets are off.
Yeah.
Do I crawl underneath? And you can see, if you look at this angle, baby, you can see all the braces on that far side, right? So now do I just unbolt those, and then that will allow that front clip to pop off?
It's got to.
Because, I mean, all these braces are just mangled.
Well, let's just start finding bolts and removing them. We'll have documentation, so we'll be able to put it back together.
Yep, because see, this one here holds.
Okay.
So let's try pulling it. So that one is off. You can see these are special.
Okay.
See how they have the rounded tips. They're not just regular bolts, like say these ones.
Yeah.
That held on
the
hood hinges.
Hood hinges.
All these ones are specific.
Right, okay.
So at least we'll have a rough idea on how it works. And this, people, is a really good reason why parts cars come in very, very handy.
Yeah.
because trying to find all these guys is a nightmare. And lots of places, like there is one for the Chevelle, and I believe to pick up all the bolts that hold the front clip on are about 120 bucks. So if you have a parts car,
you just saved yourself 120 bucks.
You saved yourself 120 bucks. I mean,
oh,
wow.
We'll patch panel on that.
Well, shouldn't have to. That's a battery tray.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Let's put a little patch in there. We're good to go.
Let's see, that's a lot. There's the body
bushing?
for the rad support.
Nice.
Nah, it's not so much there.
No.
But I mean, that's some bolts off. It's still on there properly solid, mind you. But now is the guy gonna have to crawl underneath? Because I don't see any more bolts going into here. I just don't.
I do. Right there. See? Right there.
Okay, let me see. Let me see. Where? Is this the one you're talking about right there?
Yeah.
Take a look at what's going to it, baby.
I don't know.
So that's just a ground. It's not a bolt holding anything. It's just a ground bolt.
Oh, okay.
That's all it is.
What is that?
I believe that is a charcoal canister.
Oh, okay.
Which is the whole... What is it?
Emissions?
Emissions control. Yep.
Right.
That's what that's all for. So now I see one here. And if there's another one, I ain't seen it. Because, yeah, I mean, I wonder if the next proper attack would be also to pull the wiring harness.
Maybe.
Like, that could be a thing as well.
Yeah.
Is pull the wiring harness so we don't have this kind of a thing
in our way
all over the place.
Right.
How we doing time-wise, lover?
17, 18 minutes.
Is that where we're at?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to shut it down right here. And then I'm going to take another look of attack to see how to get this done right. So that's step number 1 on the front clip. Because you're following along on this project because I've never done it before. So anybody that has suggestions, well, it'll probably be too late because the video will all be up.
No, but suggestions are still good for when we put it back together. Because we still have that one to work on too.
Yeah, we still have.
Yeah.
I mean, that's probably a nice... I'm going to monologue. Nope. Thanks, everybody, for showing up and watching another video before I start monologuing, because I'm good at that.
Yes, you are.
And sweating, apparently.
Yeah, it's hot out here.
It's really, really hot, for us especially, and me being fat and huge. Really,
You're
really
monologuing
hot. Again. Okay, so have a great day, guys. We'll talk to you soon. God bless. Keep making memories, and have a great day. Okay, take care.